Video record. This my niece Money. She don't need to dance. She's a diva. That's called Money. Amani. Little Money. Sitting on the side looking like a honey. She got a little sip cup and she ain't a dummy. She got a daddy and his name is Mondo. And a mama, her name is, I forgot. It couldn't fit into my rap. So I say it like that. And then I get back on track. Here is my mommy. She looks so divish. She's the queen of the queen. And she stepped on the scene. She got the pink bag, it's Chanel, know what I mean? I ain't gonna get a close up, you haters. You wanna know if it's real or if I'm a faker. But look at my little niece, her shoes is on her feet. I'm on the close up, cause she's like a ballerina. She got the tights on with the little candy drop suit and the striped hat, the fresh coat, and she walk like that. Her name is Money.
Okay, bye-bye.
She said bye-bye. Look. That's my son. His name is Jaleel. Wearing the 150 and he's real ill. Got the nugget in his ear and he got the real skills. Even though he's screwing up in school, he needs to take a chill pill and just do what he gotta do. Check out the fresh little jacket. Hoodie. They call it a hoodie. They call it a hoodie. He's a real goodie. Down to his feet. Fresh on the feet. What is it? Jordan.
What's she like? You got Beyonce on there?
She ain't gonna listen to Beyonce. I'm a single lady. Hold on, let me